Ever wondered how to use power tools safely and effectively? It's an art that requires a combination of knowledge, precision, and respect for the power these tools possess. The first step is choosing the right tool for the job. The material you're working with and the type of operation you need to perform will dictate which power tool is most suitable. Next, immerse yourself in the tool's manual. It's a treasure trove of information, outlining the manufacturer's instructions, safety guidelines, and operating procedures. This is not a step to overlook or rush through. Safety gear is your best friend when operating power tools. Goggles, hearing protection, gloves, and a dust mask are all essential parts of your protective ensemble. Remember, safety comes first. Before you dive into your task, get in the habit of inspecting the tool. Check for any signs of damage, wear, or defects. If something seems off, do not proceed with using the tool. Securing your workpiece is another crucial step. Use clamps or other means to ensure it's firmly attached to a stable surface. This will prevent any unwanted movement during operation and aid in achieving a precise cut. Now, position yourself correctly. You should have a clear view of the work area and easy access to the tool's controls. Your stance or seating position should be stable and comfortable. Powering on the tool involves more than just flipping a switch. Make sure the power switch is in the off position before plugging the tool into a power source. Then follow the startup procedures outlined in the manual. When operating power tools, controlled movements are key. Maintain a firm grip and apply steady, smooth movements. Avoid any jerky motions or excessive force. Remember, you're guiding the tool, not forcing it. Let the tool's motor and blade do the heavy lifting. Apply gentle pressure and let the tool work its magic. Stay focused on the task at hand. Avoid distractions, keep your hands clear of the cutting area, and always be mindful of your surroundings. For larger or heavier materials, don't hesitate to use supports such as sawhorses or tables. They can provide the extra stability and control you need. Lastly, when you've completed your task, power off the tool and unplug it. Store it safely away from the reach of children or unauthorized users. By keeping these steps in mind and exercising caution, you can use power tools safely and effectively. They can be your allies in creating and repairing, transforming the complex into the manageable. Always remember, safety and proper technique are paramount when working with power tools.